just caught the hugest gold at my big PB Goldeye. It's huge. I forget what we said, 17 and a half.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful, beautiful fish. Hard to hold these guys, they're like pancakes, slippery pancakes. That's
Almost
crazy
there.
huge. That's way
Oh,
bigger
yeah.
than the last one I caught.
Okay, so it should be. Oh yeah, just slightly over 17 and a half. I was over the start. Massive DV. Good job.
Alright. Bleeding quite a bit in the mouth, but nothing in the gills, no injuries. He should be fine. Christian's gonna get him with the release. People say those things taste like sausage. Careful. There she goes. Oh.
The only reason she came up was over a rock.
Yep, I'm peeking all around, making sure it doesn't come. Nice. Thank you.